After launching the Mustang Mach E and following up with the F-150 Lightning, Ford's initially slow entry into the EV space has begun to pick up pace. The Blue Oval is working with South Korean firm SK Innovation to invest $11.4 billion in its first completely new build factories in nearly 50 years. Kentucky is set to get 2 factories located close to Glendale that will manufacture battery cells for the vehicles, while Stanton, Tennessee will see construction of a new mega campus that will build electric F-Series trucks and assemble batteries for other vehicles, as well as a facility to recycle and recover used batteries. The new facilities will take time to construct and bring online, with Ford hoping to have them operational in 2025. They hope the move and its headline $11.4 billion value will underline its commitment to electric vehicles. The Mustang Mach E has proven to be a success with consumers and will continue to be manufactured at its plant in Mexico. In Europe, the brand has been more aggressive than elsewhere, pledging to make every vehicle available as an EV or a plug-in hybrid within 5 years, and then to be offering a 100% electric lineup of passenger vehicles by 2030. To support this, it's investing a further $1 billion in its plant in Cologne, Germany, and is partnering with Volkswagen on developing platforms for its European vehicles. Its ambitions in the US are slightly more modest, hoping to make 50% of the vehicles it sells EVs by 2030. Its mega campus in Tennessee, called Blue Oval City, is set to be a key driver of this project, especially in the key area of future developments of electric F-Series trucks. Beyond these new investments, the company has already begun investing in adding EV tech to its production facilities in Texas and Michigan. Whilst Ford will be keen to avoid alienating its existing customer base, the rapid growth of electric vehicle sales in the US risks them being left behind not only Tesla, but General Motors as well. With 10,000 to 11,000 new jobs spread across Tennessee and Kentucky, the move represents a significant shift in focus for Ford. Their side of the investment comes close to $7 billion, part of the $30 billion it plans to spend by 2025 on transition to EVs. With so much invested in the production of these vehicles, Ford have also pledged over $500 million to help train and retrain mechanics to work on EVs. The company are also calling on the federal government to step up and help improve the nation's charging infrastructure, especially in more rural areas.